Morgan, can you say coloring?
Color.
Can you say coloring? Can you say the word coloring? Can you say grandpa?
Taking your first video, huh? You're so good at
Can you say
it.
shoes? Can you say bubbles?
Bubble.
Can you say balloon?
Boo.
Can you say ball?
Ball.
Can you say grandpa?
Papa.
Can you say Devin?
Icky.
Can you say Kylie?
Daddy.
Can you say Christy?
Kai.
Say
Christy.
Christy.
Can you say coloring?
Gooey.
What does a dog say? Morgan, what does a doggy say? What does a monkey say? What does